Hey people out there, welcome to my ad. With this gig purchase, I will select 10 possible value investment opportunities in the basic material sector: oil and gas, gold, metals and minerals, chemicals, aluminium, mining, and other. You will get selected stocks and/or REITs, real estate investment trusts, and/or closed-end funds, and/or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, etc. There are some nuances that will be explained. The main purpose of this gig is to provide you a small suggestion portfolio composed of 10 opportunities in the basic material sector that may provide you an extremely attractive capital appreciation. In order to select good investments, valuation data such as earnings and book value are strongly taken into account. Please note that this is my opinion based on my own criteria and observation. Many factors may influence the investment results, such as internal factors within the companies and external factors such as the economy, politics, or environment, etc. Also, current or past results are not guarantee of future results. The nature of this investment can be riskier than regular investments. No guarantees, results, or promises of any kind can be made by me. Please do not invest money you cannot afford to lose. It can hurt you, your family, or your business, etc. Please make your decisions wisely. I will teach you how to avoid deep spreads and maybe not to trade invest at all. The concept of diversification, not putting all the eggs in the same basket, is very important to have in mind. Your portfolio is less likely to have big fluctuations. Please note that most of the companies are American-based and investments are made using US dollar currency. This service will be probably done in less than the stated time. You are welcome to purchase more if you need more investment opportunities. Please feel free to check out my other gigs. Thank you very much.